Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. I'm Splinter, and in this video I'm going to show you what I've been drawing this month of March 2021. So I've been drawing for 2 years now, pretty much every day, but I've been drawing almost every time just portraits, and aside from the figure drawing that I do every day, that I've been doing every day for almost a year now. So I figured I should probably try something different because I was getting kind of bored, and I decided, let's try cars. Something that would make me understand perspective a little better. So yeah, I started on my tablet, drawing these kind of exercises like cubes and rotating cubes and stuff like that. And I tried to draw some cars using reference every time because I can't really draw from my imagination, at least not yet. So I just go on Pinterest and I find pictures of cars and other stuff, and these are the drawings I did on my tablet. And I stopped here because the screen on the tablet is really small, and I find it hard for some reason to draw cars here. So I bought a 500 sheet pack of printer paper, and I started drawing on paper again. And these first ones are kind of going to suck, but yeah, I'm gonna show you anyway. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go through all the drawings I did this month, and I'll probably time lapse it. And yeah, hope you enjoy. So here I was trying to incorporate animals riding motorcycles, but I still gotta learn a little bit more. So I started doing some studies on authors, uh, but I didn't draw anything yet. Nothing finished, I mean. So yeah, I think I improved a little bit. I have a long way to go. I haven't shown you the drawings that I got frustrated with and I trashed. So, but yeah, I really enjoy drawing this kind of stuff. Right now I'm working on a kind of a commission, not really, but I'm going to try and make it more finished, like more professional looking. I'll try to add color and make it look more professional. So yeah, this is what I've been trying this month. Not mentioning the figure drawing that I also do every day. Real soon I'll have a video showing my progress over the last year. I started figure drawing in April of 2020, so almost a year now. And yeah, I'll film a video about it too. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel. You can follow me on Instagram, that's Splinter Sketch. Also, you can find a lot of reference photos on my Pinterest. Also, look for Splinter Sketch. And I think that's it. I'll see you next time, guys. Have a good week and take care. Keep on drawing.